yet another exciting episode of Airtel Grid Girls Face of the Race. मैं हूँ सुप्रीत और ये है इवान।
और मैं आ गया।
Where were you?
अरे यार आज का टास्क रेडी कर रहा था ना, because we are preparing our F1 Grid Girls to become the face of the race.
That's good. That's good. जो हर हफ्ते तुम इतना Formula 1 की बातें करते हो, do you even know why it's called Formula 1?
Boss, you're talking to a real petrol head. इधर दिल ही इंजन है। तुम बताओ, तुम्हें पता है फॉर्मूला 1 का मतलब क्या होता है?
Formula means a set of rules and one because it's the most advanced, most competitive form of motorsports. Not bad, eh?
क्या बात है, तुमने ब्रोशर पढ़ लिया ना?
Come on, yeah. Give me some credit here.
See, we basically need our girls to be just more than that, less superficial than Supreet. We need to dig deeper, dig under the makeup and find out what they're made of. Let's meet our girls.
Let's do.
The ladies.
Hello.
Crystal, आप पिछले टास्क में थोड़ी सी इंजर हो गई थी।
This is the first time I'm having such an injury, but I feel much better now.
Well, that's a good spirit then. आज की गेम शुरू करें।
Ladies, welcome to the hedge maze. You guys will be divided into 6 teams of 2 girls each. One of the girls will be sent into the hedge maze and she has to complete the maze from entry to exit.
But do not worry, because आपको हेल्प मिलेगी अपनी टीममेट से।
आपकी जो टीममेट रहेगी वो ना हमारे बूथ के अंदर रहेगी और उन्हें एक मैप दिया जाएगा। That map will have a bird's eye view of the detailed place. देखिए, आप सब वंडर कर रहे होंगे कि F1 से इस टास्क का क्या लेना देना है, but it's very very simple. F1 is about communication क्योंकि रेस के दौरान even the drivers are constantly fed with a ton of information, even from their steering wheel, for example. Their blood pressure is monitored, their heartbeat is monitored, which turn is coming up is told to them. So no F1 driver, no matter how great, is complete without his team. So the key here being
Communication.
and the team with the fastest time will win today's challenge. Okay? आप अपने पार्टनर्स खुद चुन सकते हैं।
मैंने अपनी पार्टनर उर्वशी को चुना है क्योंकि आई थिंक शी इज़ वेरी क्लेवर। बहुत पढ़ती है, रूम में दिन भर पढ़ती रहती है, तो मुझे लगता है कि ये टास्क बहुत जल्दी ख़त्म कर देगी और मुझे हेल्प मिल जाएगी।
I have chosen Marilyn because she's very good in physical tasks, physically fit and good listening power skills. And I guess I'll be able to solve the maze because I have done kind of all these puzzles when I was a kid.
I am giving the directions. You are running.
I'll be running to make sure you know where exactly I am so that you know whenever you give me the directions.
Yeah,
it
first
doesn't
I'll
go
solve
wrong.
the maze and then I'll give the directions. Till then, don't start.
We are Team 1.
We are Team 2.
We are Team 3.
We are Team 4.
We are Team 5. We are Team 6. I've been set up here with some fancy equipment.
गैब्रिएला और मैं रूम पार्टनर्स हैं, हम रूम शेयर करते हैं, तो इतने दिन में हमारी अंडरस्टैंडिंग और जान पहचान बहुत अच्छी हो गई है, तो डेफिनेटली कम्युनिकेशन ईजियर होगा।
Divya, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, you're on your marks. Get set, go!
Keep going straight. Take a right. Go to your left. Go straight, go straight. Wait, over.
What do I do now? Over.
I can't see you anywhere. Wait, over.
Okay, can you see me now? Over.
रेस की इतनी अंदर चली गई है कि अभी दिव्या को भी दिखाई नहीं दे रही।
I'm right here. I'm stopped.
I can't see you,
I'm
Gabby.
going straight. Where are you? Over.
Wait, just wait where you are. Raise your hand. I can't see you anywhere.
Okay, I'm waving right now and jumping like a lunatic.
I can see
over.
your hand, just wait.
Oh my God, this is so confusing. I cannot believe this is happening.
मैंने इनको जरा ओवर एस्टिमेट किया था। वेरी गुड स्टार्ट, बट इन द मिडिल सेक्शन दे आर कंप्लीटली कंफ्यूज्ड।
Gabby, come behind. Yeah,
I'm
just
walking
come
behind, over.
Keep going. Come straight.
Come on, Gabby, you can do. And finally, आपको पता है आप इतनी अच्छी स्टार्ट पे निकल गई थी कि you would have had the fastest time, but what happened?
We got very confused with this, the walkie-talkie, and I think Divya got confused with the directions, and we didn't know where we were going.
Yeah, that's why women can't drive because they can't talk and drive at the same time. No, that's why left right में confusion हो जाती है. And Divya is a little upset. We'll call her also. Divya, come.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Hey.
इनको मार मत देना बाद में। अब मेरे को बताइए क्या हुआ क्या? What exactly
No,
happened?
actually what happened was that I could figure out the map, but I was getting confused with the
There she
monitor.
was.
With the monitor, and I couldn't really see her.
Yeah.
Cross your fingers and hope that somebody
Yeah.
has a more disastrous timing than you. Well done. Well, I can't say well done, but done. Chalo, moving on to our next test.
Come on,
Your time starts now.
Akshina, you gotta tell me the way over. Akshina, can you hear me?
Where is she? Raise your hand. Where are you?
I don't know what my partner is doing. She's not been able to figure out. I think I'm gonna be lost here forever.
Yeah, now I can see you. Did you go straight?
Yes, I went straight over.
Looks like we're wasting some time here. She's still waiting.
Wherever you are, go straight.
I can't go straight. There's either a left or a right towards me.
What is the 12 o'clock position? Yeah. Now towards the 9 o'clock position. Yeah. Go straight. Yeah.
I've taken a left.
Come out on the opening left. Yeah. Go there. Keep walking straight. Yeah. Now go inside. Straight walk. Exit. I could not make out in the monitors कहाँ वो खड़ी थी और कहाँ पे मैप हूँ. मैं अपने सब उसी से पूछ के exit बोल रही थी. I think I a very big time. You know, it would have been better if you would have started from here and you would have told me that you're starting from here. At least I would have at least started following you in the camera itself.
I know,
That
but then
is
as soon as the countdown started, I thought I'm supposed to start, so I started along with it, but I don't know. Whatever it is, I guess.
Bad. Just hope we're not the last people. Yeah, I don't want to get zero in this.
हमारा कंपटीशन जोर शोर से चल रहा है, but it's time now to take a little bit of a break.
Yes, do not go anywhere because we will be back before you can say break.
Break.
Now there's a dead end. Now I have to go over.
Go left.
Okay.
Take a left. No. Sorry. Take a right.
There's no right if I.
Yeah, right. Can you see me now?
Chill. Take your time. Chill. Take your time.